What's up, folks? Moment of truth. I have charged the batteries. This my spare battery should be now full, and this Chevy's battery, it's a poor. It doesn't take much voltage. Even I have charged it few hours. Now I try to start the Chevy. Now I found the reason why it didn't start. I had to adjust a little bit ignition switch. I loosened the bolt here and I pushed the ignition switch a little bit forward, and then I tightened the bolt again, and I did a quick test that now the car starts. I connected the spare battery again, so we shall see what's gonna happen next. Yes, woohoo! As you can see, the Chevy is running very nicely. It was just a small thing that I had to adjust the ignition switch. I think I might have started this car even yesterday if I have figured out that fault, but I'm so happy now it's running very good. I think I will put some more air on the tires and then we can do a small test drive. Yeah, that was a very successful test drive. I did only a short test drive because there's quite a lot noise, as you can hear inside, because the engine cover is missing, and I was afraid that I get some exhaust fumes also inside, so that's why the test drive was so short. But the engine is running nice, the brakes are working, the gearbox is working, so everything looks quite okay at the moment. And please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done it already, and please give me some comments down below, and I'll be back, so see you soon.